Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll tell you how to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. So you need to install Reviews application. The most common ones are Judge.me or Ali Reviews. So the process is very simple. Install the application from the Shopify App Store or Google Play, then connect it to your store, then paste the AliExpress product link into the application's import section. And actually what is very convenient is that you can usually filter which reviews you want to see, like only 5-star ones or only reviews with photos, etc. After importing, the application automatically displays them on your product page in a clean layout, which builds trust for your store. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.